Now, like most schemes on the internet that tell you how to make money, I'm going to show you that mine has been successful. Look at the Phantom wallet. $171,000 are currently sitting in my Phantom wallet thanks to this method. We're not trading, we're developing. That's how we're making the big bucks. Follow and you'll do it too.
Yeah, boy.
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Now that you're here, that means you want to be part of the exclusive club that's going to make some serious money developing coins. So I'd like to jump straight into the creation process, but first there's just something I wanted to discuss with you. Now, looking at any coin on the market, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So let's draw this out, even just for a second. Look at the massive peaks and troughs here, guys. How, as a trader, are you meant to make consistent money doing this? So let's take a look at a different coin. Let's look at this one here, and again, look at the wild peaks and troughs. As a trader, you know, a big part of you making this money is luck, really. Getting it at just the right time. So let's have a look at another one. Let's look at this one here. Okay, let's look at this one here. This one is a bit more steady. But again, you can see these peaks and troughs. But the major thing we're looking at here is this. Look at this rug pull. That is where the liquidity is just leaving the coin and all that money is going straight into the developer's pocket. Now, we want to make sure that that pocket is our pocket. And the tool we're going to use is createcoin.fun. Okay, this is how we're going to create our coin. And the best part, no coding required. Okay, it is just a series of buttons. You don't need coding knowledge or anything like that to do what we're going to do today. And that's the best part. It is so accessible. Okay, so while this market is speeding up, you know, while it's spooling, you've got to get in there quick and make that money. Now, before we move on, there's another thing I wanted to show you. Most coins are made through pump. And when you're on the pump market, your market caps, to be honest, they are trash. Look at these market caps. Even the ones that break out, they're only into the couple of tens of Ks, you know, nothing crazy. But if I switch off of pump and head to Metora through my dynamic BC here, so we'll apply that. This is the Metora market. Look at this, guys. The first coin that comes up, 770k on a market cap. If we leave our coin long enough, it could end up in this position. The coins have got way more freedom. Now look here, this coin is busy. Check out these numbers, rapidly changing. Okay, this is a coin that is changing hands a lot. It is hot, it is hyped. So let's go back to create coin. First thing, connect your wallet. Easy as a couple of button pushes, 1, 2, and we're done. Click that and boom, there's our wallet. We're connected. So let's have a look at how much money we're rocking in the wallet. $109. Okay, so I recommend having $100 in the wallet. That's a good starting point in terms of making your money with your coin, because we're going to need some money to put down. So here is where we can put in our coin name. We can call it meme. We can call it whatever we like. We can base it off some tweet that Elon's made. Doesn't really matter. We're not going to do that because there's loads of marketing involved and we haven't got the time. We haven't got any of the money. We haven't got not even the social media clout. But primarily it's time that we're worried about. So let's hit copy trending. Now this tab will show you a bunch of coins that are hot on the Metora market right now. And then you can just grab one and just copy it. And then all of that hype will be generated straight to your coin. The marketing is already done. We're already there. We don't need to worry about getting our coin off the ground because it's going to start flying. Now let's pick any one of these. Doesn't really matter. We can pick this one, touch grass. It's got a grass butt on it. That's fun. Let's do it for the meme. Okay, so all of these coins are good. It's just a case of picking the one that you fancy. I mean, this market cap's at 4K, which sounds nice. We're going to click copy coin. Easy as that. So, oh, had a network error. Okay, let's try that again. We'll go back to copy trending, and again let's just let's hit job coin. Again, doesn't really matter. Clearly we're not going to touch grass today, so we're going to copy this coin. So your Phantom wallet will pop up. The request will initially be blocked. This is a normal part of the process. You will have to proceed anyway. It's just a transaction that Phantom's not used to. It is perfectly normal. So we confirm that, click that we understand, and then we confirm. Okay, easy as that. Now here's where we need to put our money down. We've got to create our liquidity pool. So we'll click on that. The only number we need to change is the amount of SOL that we put in. So today, you don't have to put in much. I'm going to put in 0.22. Why not? I normally put in 0.2, but let's go with 0.22 today. It's a weird day today. I couldn't touch grass. So let's see what's going on. We create our pool and then bam, there we are. We hit confirm and this will create our coin and put it onto the market. There it is. Bam, straight away. So currently our estimated value, we're at $13.98. Okay, so let's remember that number, and it's probably because I put a little bit more Sol in than normal. Usually it's around $10 to $12. So before we do anything, we need to do one more thing. This is the secret sauce, our secret weapon. We are going to boost our token on Dex Screener. Now, the boost costs 0.25 Sol. And we're going to have to put that money down, but we are going to make that money back. So we confirm that transaction, and our coin is boosted. All the bots are going to see it. All the trend chasers are going to see it. And that means money is going to go into our coin. Near enough right away. So now that that's boosted, I can have a look on Dex Screener. So if I just click this button here, and here we are. This is the coin on Dex Screener now. And already we are looking at a load of buys already. We are at 49 traders, 100 transactions. So the effect of the boost is pulling all of those traders to our coin, making it hot. And of course, the hotter the coin gets, the more likely those trend chasers are going to come in and want to invest in our coin as well. Let's take a look at some of these numbers. Our liquidity is at 1.2k. Our market cap already at 3.3. We've barely had this coin on the market, and we're already at 3.6 now. I mean, I can barely keep up with this every single time I do this. Look at our volume. We're at 27.8k. That is an insane volume. It's gone up to 30 already. This is ridiculous. Traders, we're nearly at 300 traders. 300 people are looking at this coin and are interested right now. So we've got a few more sellers than buyers this time. But really, as long as we have more in than the start, as the developer, we still make the money. That's what's secure about this. You only need to go up once. So even if your coin is a bit volatile, it's never going to be lower than where you started. So we're going to make money every time, no problem. So it has come to the time where we have to pull the rug on these poor souls. We started at $13. We're now at $637. That is the kind of profits that we can be making, okay? And look at this. Yeah, 1.11k, 1.11k. That's immense numbers. So what we're going to do now is we are going to pull the liquidity, okay? That is what we're going to do. So we're going to hit this little minus button here. We are going to pull 100% of that liquidity, and all that cash is going to go in our pocket. We confirm the transaction because we want to be paid straight away. There we are. Wonderful. So that's now come through. The liquidity's been removed. Let's take a look at our Phantom wallet. So we are looking at from 100 to 1,129. Guys, I'm no mathematician, but I think that's a 10x. Now remember, like, subscribe, leave a good comment, and you could win half of these proceedings.